Hello, 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 hello. Good afternoon, good morning. Let's get some trades. Let's get some pips. Alright, gold. Let's start with gold. I don't think pound yen's doing anything. To be honest, gold isn't really doing anything. We were bullish. I thought it was going to break the high. I think it's coming towards the end of the day. I really think we get some gold pips, make a new high. So my target for the day would be 29.60, just because 29.50 is a bit close. So I've gone the next 100 pips. So yeah, it's not really based on anything apart from the number. 4 hour is currently bearish. We do have retail sales in 1 hour, along with a 4 hour candle close. So yeah, I think we're bullish today. Potential pullback with retail sales, but again, just continue the bullish trend after the pullback. It's pretty much been the theme for the news this month. Drop and then push. Looks like a continuation pattern down right now. But initially, initially I was thinking sells because we had a 4 hour resistance here and gold was holding. It was around here. It did push down from the 4 hour resistance, then it broke, got a closure above, so I've taken it off now. Don't have a 4 hour resistance here yet because the candle hasn't closed. So after news, we could have a strong bearish candle, or we could have a bullish candle that re-breaks the high. So I've got no higher time frame key levels up here yet. Do have a support right here. If we get a closure below, dare I take an entry before news? Dare I on this Friday? Depends how this candle closes, to be honest. How big is this range? 66 pip range. It's not bad. It's not bad. How was everyone's London session? Anyone catch any pips? I did catch some pound yen sells. But let's go to pound yen. So the daily was bearish. Was it bearish at the time? Where did I get the sells? It was up. No, it was here. So the daily was bullish. Alright, let me go through the daily analysis and then I'll go over the trade I took. So it kind of looks like a continuation pattern to the upside, to be fair, with pound yen. But if it fails to fill this wick, then I think we push down and continue this downtrend structure that we have here. So we do have the indecision candle from yesterday, but as for today, pound yen is just ranging, so I thought I'd play the range. 4 hours currently bullish. Yes, I think it's the kind of difficult range to trade within, to be honest. It is a lot of sideways movement, but the sells I took was right here. So we pushed up into this resistance. Wow, you're loud. Pushed up into this resistance. We tapped it, respected it, closed bearish, and then I took the break of this low down to this support right here. Little 25 pips. Just played the range. Wasn't sure if price was going to come all the way down. That's why I closed early, because I mean, look at this range. It's not very nice. But I did think, it's going to drop. Rejection wicks. I wasn't in it too long, about 45 minutes, if that. And the time, I wasn't really trying to be in it for too long. But yeah, pound yen just looks terrible today. Where is yesterday's highs? Yesterday's highs all the way up here, so up above 193, and the low just above this 4 hour support. Okay, so if we break up here, broke yesterday's high. If we break, I believe it's down here, broken yesterday's low. that should give us some direction for the rest of the day. I don't really like buys above this level here. I would need buys above this resistance, a closure above for the buys up to the next levels, about 50 pips. About 50 pips. 60 pips, math is well off. Wow. Thank God for rulers and calculators, eh? But yeah, buys above this resistance on pound yen and sells. I don't really like the sells, to be honest, because this cat just gonna walk all over my stuff. Alright, and sells. Yeah, I don't know where for sells. Maybe below a closure of this trend line. Closure and retest. I think this might be my line, you know. Let's make it black. I don't really like the pound yen market structure though, to be honest. But I mean, I've seen this before recently, so maybe close, bounce, something like that. A little retest and sell. But yeah, GJ is not very clean. Ooh, gold continuation. It is Friday, so you know we might get some Friday price actions. Never really the best, is it? It's never the best. But let's look and see what happened during the last retail sales. Okay, so retail sales would have been January 16th. So January 16th, forecast 0.6 and it came out 0.4. So low numbers. Let's check it out. Let's see what it is. Alright, January 16th. At 1 o'clock. It's right here. So gold pushed up and make a new high. Email. Okay, this is January retail sales. So gold was bullish. How much did this push up? 77 pips, and that was on weak numbers. Now today the forecast is minus 0.2. Very, very bad numbers that they're expecting, which is, it's not surprising. It's January, you know, people ain't really trying to spend that much money after Christmas. So, you know, see, December's a big retail sales month, even though it missed. But to have minus, it's obviously not good. Core retail sales 0.3, that's down as well. So yeah, retail sales overall are down. So if you get bad retail numbers, I don't know, I actually don't know what that means for USD. Does it mean them decreasing interest rates? You have to look at all of the numbers put together, CPI, retail, PPI. I think we get some gold buys today. Maybe the pullback before news. No, I'm gonna switch. Let's play this playlist instead. Let's start with up here. Put that on shuffle. Okay. Continuation pattern playing out nicely. It is. It is. It is. See how it reacts to this daily flip. Stop loss wasn't too bad either. Yeah, it would have been a nice impulse entry. So stop loss 40 pips. I mean, if you took the entry candles, 32 pips. Kind of average at this point for gold. You said you don't like it. Nah, these were some nice sells. I don't know how far it goes though. I don't know if it goes to the bottom of the range. But today on gold, I do have a bullish bias. My bias is very bullish, so any sells I might take will definitely be short-lived. 10-20 pips and then out. If we get a closure below this support, this is from yesterday. Got a support here. I would use this one down here. I wouldn't use this support because the wicks have come down this far, like closer to down here, so we'll probably expect like this area to be retested into these wicks. So I'd use the support below, even if it doesn't tap, just into this area for a retest. Got the 4 hour. So why does it say resistance? Let's make that 4 hour support right there. Yeah. Cool. Looks like it was just retesting this daily flip. New 15-minute candle. You saying, Benny, 15-minute closure below?
This is London Court. Here is a news flash.
47 pips, stop loss. Use entry candle. Nah, 15 is not for me. Alright, gold pulling back up. If this flips bearish, it's 15, and you want to take the break, entry candle high would be a good stop loss. Would be a nice stop loss. A lot shorter than the previous one. Using previous candle highs, how big is that stop? Kind of like a retest. 30 pips. Not bad. Would love to end the week with a nice trade. It's not been a bad week, to be fair. How's everyone's week been? Has everyone had a good trading week? Are we up? Are we down? How are we doing? I feel like there's been a few trades this week. Not really so much on GJ. Good. Good week for you, Rosie. Mainly gold. Yeah, gold pips. They hit differently. Good job. Okay, profitable week. Good. Sorry guys, just sending a message. Looks like gold might retest or push back up into this range. Yeah, I don't think there's any point taking any trades before the news. Just wait until afterwards. Jump on his volume. Look at that pullback. Right back above this support. We've still got 5 minutes left, but yeah. You know, one thing with this continuation pattern, right, is it works better in the direction of the trend. Like if this was a bullish continuation, I think it would have worked out better. But because it's bearish and the trend is bullish, right, the best entry would have literally been as soon as the candle opened, push down, in and out, 43 pips and over. These counter trend trades, you really have to be in and out. How do we think the news is going to play out today? Coming 77 pips the last time on a Friday. Straight push up. On bad numbers. We're expecting bad numbers today. Well, low numbers. Can we get some new all-time highs today? I mean, we came super close. As I was saying, no impact. You think no impact to retail sales? I think we have some type of movement. I don't think it's going to be crazy, but I think we see something. What's this high? 42.78. So it was like 20 pips away from that today. What are you saying? Go buys. Benny saying sell then buy. No one thinks it's going to be a sell-off. Little Friday sell-off. Maybe buys then sells. No. Trump reciprocal tariffs a headache for India. India has the most tariffs. India sound like they're screwed. Oh, these Trump tariffs are going to be very interesting this year. We're going to see a lot of volatility in USD. I say this year, but man, he's there for 4 years, isn't he? Okay, GJ's pushing up. Is it finally going to break above this resistance? 192.4. I think this is making higher lows. Potential daily wick fill. Pretty much been bullish all week. It was Monday. Yeah, look, Monday just straight up from this support. It's 4 hour support. Now it's the daily support. We can close above this last lower high. Where does GJ go? Can we start pushing back up? One o'clock. It's not really a closure above, but we're pushing. I never like when candles just push straight in one direction, because it leaves a lot of time for it to come back down or reverse. Okay, we've got a little closure blow on gold, but yeah, not going to take anything until after news. Looking for GJ buys after the news. Yeah, pound yen buys look way better than sells, and I think it continues the bullish bias that's been this week. I mean, I definitely started the week bearish, but it's just been bullish candles every day except yesterday. So I think bias to end the week would be good. It's like yesterday was just sort of breaking up the push, but look at that weekly candle. Filled that wick from last week, that gap from last week. So we're going to have a weekly body potentially closing through here, which is good. Fill up that gap. I like the idea of buyers for sure. for sure, for sure. Break up above this daily resistance. No, it doesn't even matter right now. I'll take it off, just clean it up a bit. Gold, are we pushing? Pushing to the bottom of this range? This daily doesn't want to flip bearish again, does it? Okay, gold pushing. We're getting a little push. Now I just need to see if this support holds. Might even get the closure above after before news for GJ. If it can continue pushing for the next 20 minutes. Dun, dun. Now we just wait. Go on, GJ, push. Hopefully the next 15 minutes keeps on pushing. Doesn't form the top wick. This is an interesting push. The thing is, I wouldn't even take buys. I don't think I'll take buys on the news candle, depending on how volatile it is. I don't know how big the move is going to be for pound yen. See, yesterday we had a big wick. This was 17 pips. So I'm wondering if we get a tiny little, like a little gap. Lower wick, there may be a push. But if it happens too quick, there won't be an entry. It's more the spreads that go crazy than the actual movement of the candle. We'll see. Gold still pushing. What are we thinking? The move's gonna happen first on gold or pound yen? In gold. It's interesting. Obviously gold should be more volatile. It's got the news, right? I think the setup looks like it's going to be on pound yen at closure above, potentially. Gold, I'll have to wait for a closure below. But then I don't want to trade right after news, I'll have to wait. So this is like maybe another hour before trade. If it pushes down for news, closes back above the support, I'll take buyers back up. That should say support. But for pound yen, could get the closure above now. And then the next candle will be the buyers up. So yeah, we'll see what happens. Okay, did the 15 close above? Perfect. Ooh, still got so much time left in this candle. Just don't want to wick up in this area. So I'd love for it to close, but not too far up into this area. And it shortens the range. But either way, to be honest, we're looking for the previous daily high to be broken above 193 and price to keep pushing up. So only thing about pushing too much in this range is a retest of the resistance before it pushes up. Keep an eye on that. Gold staying bullish on the daily. Gotta wait for this news. No, you can't sit on that. Hey. GJ buys after the closure. That's what it's looking like right now. That's what it's looking like. What's Daniel saying? And now it may fall out of the sky. Oh, he's saying gold sells. Saying gold sell off. Okay. It's interesting. Like to hear different opinions. Does gold fail to make a new high today? Either I think GJ buyers look better if it can stay in this area for the next 8 minutes. Let's see. Previous candle lows, 30 pip stop loss. Not bad. Looking at the H4, it makes sense. Let's see what the H4 is saying now. Oh, like a 4-hour double top. Oh, let's not break that. Okay, one of my friends is saying based on the 4 hour, gold looks like it's going to sell off, fall out of the sky. What do you guys think? Are you thinking sells for the rest of the day? Friday sell off? I don't know, I'm super bullish on gold, so I just think all news is a slight pullback and then it continues bullish. So that's kind of where my head is at. But if I get a sell opportunity, I'll take it. Right now though, GJ looks like it's the one. Yeah, I'll need a closure below for the sells. I would like to see how this 4 hour closes. Kind of double topish. It's no longer valid. Close below it. It's a nice big range to play with. 150 pips. GJ don't close back in the range. Is that the only news today? Just retail sales? Yep. Pretty much. Three minutes. And there's other light news, import prices. I'm not sure if there's much chance we'll get mixed data. Spread didn't increase much on my side, there won't be much impact. I'll definitely take the GJ bias. Spread's not going to increase yet. If it increases, it's going to be like maybe a minute to 30 seconds before the news. So yeah, give it like another minute. Then you should see some action. But then if it does move somewhere, it could be a slow push. Just pulling up. And GJ's rejecting. pound yen. Why you like this? Stayed here for once. What's going on? What? No, it didn't. Okay. Alright, 1 minute. Let's see what's popping. So let's get this out of the way. Okay, now my spreads are jumping. Not crazy though. But the prices are definitely moving faster than usual. Not quite the closure above on GJ. Oh. Yeah, GJ is going crazy now. 6 pip spreads. Alright, what was the results? News. Bad numbers. Super bad numbers. Oh my god. These numbers are so bad. It's so bad. Okay, so GJ dropped 30 pips. Gold pushed up. These numbers mean the economy is not doing well for the US. Poor retail numbers. Should be good for gold. Should be good for gold. GJ. What's dollar doing? Dollar's tanking. So GJ should be going up. Dollar's going down. Yeah. What's crazy is look where gold stopped. Right on the daily flip. So the daily is staying bullish. New all-time highs today. Gold, what are you saying? So no buys on pound yen. Here we go. Friday movements, man. Friday markets. Like the way the dollar is tanking, you think gold would shoot up. What's the rest of the market saying? Let's see. Like that. Okay. Stock market's going up. Stock market looks good. Dollar's dropping. I didn't expect the numbers to be that bad. And that's something that affects news as well. So you've got something close to what's expected, but this is very far away from what was forecast. Like very far away. So I think we see gold fly, you know. Go on gold. So respect to the previous low, broken the previous high now. Potentially forming a nice support to just keep pushing up. Pound yen. Pound yen straight down. Alright, we're approaching this first support. Go and slap past that. And I think at some point, well, I knew at some point I wanted gold buys. I just didn't think they'd happen straight away. Freaky Fridays. Yeah, I forgot about that. Ah, 5 minutes. 5 minutes gone. Goals pushed up. $58 pips, 60 pip push on gold. Last time it was 70 last month. GJ kind of respecting this support. It's the first level. Might be a late trade today. Gold buys after support. Yeah, you did want buys, didn't you? I think so. If it continues this, I mean, it's bullish, isn't it? So if we do get a support here and we haven't pushed up too much into the range, then I think the next candle, you know, after the bottom wick, if it makes a nice bottom wick, because we can't use previous lows, 60 pips, then yeah, we're buying from support. I like that idea. So I did say with gold, it's going to be at least an hour before the entry because we need, well, this 130 candle to set up. And the setup was either going to be a closure below or the support formed. So I'm not surprised with gold, but I like the way it's going. Sticking with the bullish bias. Sticking with this bullish bias. And what's pound yen doing? Not giving us a setup. Alright, pound yen. Do we still want pound yen buyers? Do we still want the buyers? If we can get a higher low, so the new 4-hour candle, what's a 4-hour looking like? Oh my god. I wish I could pretend not to see this. 4-hour looks terrible. Four-hour looks terrible. Oh, gold coming back down. Alright, I'll wait for this 30-minute candle to close on gold. Oh, is it rejecting? Are we going to get the sells? Damn, did it even break that high? It looks like it matched it perfectly and then dropped. Is that what we're doing now? Oof. Gold does not look good for the buys right now. Gonna close below this support. Oh, GJ's dropping. Oh, gold is tanking. Ooh, my boy was right. Said gold looks like it's gonna fall out the sky. Based on the 4 hour. No buys for us right now, Rosie. Alright, let's see how it reacts to this support down here. GJ up to? Are we looking for close below the support on gold? I was looking for a closure below, but it's kind of depends how far down this candle closes. Because obviously the next candle looks like it's retested this 4 hour resistance, but this support is kind of, it's not really that close because it's a big range. It's 100 pips down to here. Yeah, I don't really like the sells right now, to be honest. Got 37 pips to the bottom of the range, or to the next support. Depends. If the next candle makes like a good top wick and then breaks the low, then yeah, I'll probably be looking for some sells. But if it pushes too far down, then nah. Plus, I'm still kind of bullish on gold, but it's a big 4-hour candle. So this could be the start of a pullback. What's that? Keep pulling there. I might just have to chill for today until a bit later, I think. Look for sells on GJ. I think so. This is a big, it's already on it. Yeah, it's a nice rejection from this resistance, which has been holding all morning. So yeah, I think I want a closure below this trend line. And I only use trend lines when price action is like this below here, because then I'm treating it like a support. So if I get a closure below this support, then yeah, I think the GJ sells look good. So I want the next candle to just make a top wick, break the low, and then keep dropping. So that's what I'll be looking for in pound yen. Could get that Friday sell-off. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see what happens in the next 8 minutes. I mean, could get closure just below this support and then continue to sell down, and then volume just push it past all these levels here. And that is, how many pips away is that? It's about 19 pips away. It's not bad, is it? To the next support. Anticipating volume will just, bearish momentum will just keep driving down. A 38 pip wick right there. GJ, well, not GJ, gold. Still 6 minutes left. Closure below is still valid. Nah, I want to wait for a better setup on gold. I'm not going to force nothing. Bottom wick is too low. At the moment anyway. 47 pips to break it that low. Crazy work. What are you saying? Closure below on GJ? Oh, gold's dropped again. Man, I can't keep up with this thing. They just dropped 15 pips. So gold's dropping. I mean, I'm watching the price. I can see it. I can see it going to like 29.19, 29.20, 29.21, 29.22. So I can see it swinging in between like a 40 pip range. And then the next candle, we've got the new 4-hour candle about to open. Yeah, I'm not going to force nothing, because I'm thinking the next candle makes a top wick before it either drives down or it reverses. So yeah, I'll wait. GJ closure below. Yes, what it looks like, Rosie. It's what it's looking like. See what happens in the next 3.5 minutes. But it looks like pound yen might be the move. Let's end the week strong. Gold. Right, I'm gonna leave gold because it's too volatile for the moment. Friends say sell off on gold. I mean, this has already been a big drop. Could it drop for the rest of the session? Well, that's just from the candle open. 150 pips from the high to the low. Ooh, GJ closure. Top wick. Tap this support. I'm gonna put my stop loss here. I mean my sell stop, sorry. So GJ is selling until next week. Yeah, I just need it to sell for 20 pips. That's all I need. Looks like gold is selling. See these numbers just dropping. Oof. Yeah, big sell off on gold. Dun, 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 dun. 20 pips to the next support. Yes, sir. Oof. No, it's a bit tight for me. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it. It's 15. No, I need that 1-to-1. Need that 1-to-1. I didn't realize it pushed down so much. Alright, gold pushed down into this rejection area that I mentioned before. Now I can see price pushing down into here. So yeah, I'll need a closure. I don't really want to sell into this. Curious to see what happens with pound yen though. Because the 4-hour did close with a lower high and a long rejection wick. So if we break the previous 4-hour low, I can see it continuing down. And it'll be the daily today making a lower high as well. So I can see the sells, especially since we held this resistance so well. Gold 40 pip pullback. Like, this is why I'm not jumping into nothing on gold. Barely have a 4-hour top wick. It's like 50 pips it dropped. Don't force nothing on this Friday, guys, especially if you've had a good week. If you've had a good week, don't force nada. Yeah, if I get GJ sells later, it would be, I think, below this trend line. Like I said, I think I'd want to wait for it to push below. I think these gold sells were a bit too risky for me to get in, because for one, I would have needed to wait for a top wick. Just a bit more of a top wick for a stop loss. Break of this low down to the support, 38 pips, and the high is like 36. It's just about a 1-to-1. Yeah, I wanted more of a top wick, but not enough left of the range for me anyway. Yeah, nothing going on. I think I'm going to leave it here, guys. I don't see any trades just yet. But what I would be looking out for is if gold wants to continue bullish, then a support formed. Right now, we've broken below that support. So I want to see what happens at the next one. If it breaks below, then obviously it's 50 pips to the 4 hour and this 30 minute as well. But it's just not very clean going down. I would like a support to buy back up, but I'm not sure if that's happening today. Not sure if that will happen. Pound yen, like I said, I want a closure below this line here. Then maybe a retest for sells. If I get, yeah, because look, there's too many supports below. It's just very close, so we need volume to just drive through everything. So yeah, we'll see. But I think it'll be a late trade today. But yeah, I'm gonna leave it here. hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. And hope you've had a good week. Have a good weekend. I'll get to working on the videos requested. And try to have something ready by Sunday or next week. Oh, dear. But yeah, peace out, guys. Yeah, I'm leaving. I don't trade this late. Nothing's going on right now. I trade London and NY Open. I'll be in the Discord. Links in the chat. But as far as streaming, I'm outie.